subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has finally launched the Moto E40 smartphone in Europe with textured rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Moto E40 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate support, and it is powered by an octa-core Uni-SoC T700 chipset paired with Mali G52 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Moto E40 supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with f2.0 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on stock Android 11 out of the box, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery which is said to last up to 40 hours. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for splash resistance, and it also includes dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.1 by 75.6 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 198 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto E40 has been priced in Spain at €149. And it is said to be available in the country in charcoal grey and clay pink color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto E40 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.